Hey guys, it's me again. It's Mike the Dodge Guy. How many of y'all have these on your Ram Chargers, your D100s, D150s, even some of the D250s had it from what I understand. In the late 70s up to the early 90s. You also had them on your Ram Chargers. These are the stabilizer bar links. They attach to your torsion bar right here, and this end here goes through your stabilizer bar. The majority of them will snap right in this area. Once they do that, you can't replace your stabilizer bar bushings. There's not enough room. Put it on there and you have to figure out a way to squeeze it down so you can get a nut started. I have found nobody that sells these things. So what I did is I devised my own little plan here. And by the way, I did ruin one before I got this figured out. And what I did, it's got a collar on it and then a stud. I took right at the top of the collar, I cut the stud off flat, center punched it, and then using 3 different drill bits, I drilled a hole all the way up through it, all the way through to the other side. Okay, all the way through. Went all the way up to a 5/16. That stud that comes out of here is a 5/16 stud. I then went and got a 5/16 by 3-inch bolt. It's really best to use a grade 8 bolt if you can, or a Sureproof bolt if you can. They're kind of expensive. Take the bolt, run it in. At this point, once it's in all the way, you can either tack weld the head into place, keep it from popping out, or if you're lazy like me, leave it alone. Mount this to your stabilizer bushing, and the head will be up against that rubber bushing in there. Once you do that, you can go through, put your washers back on, and make sure you put your stabilizer bushing on. Drop it down through the stabilizer arm. Put your other bushing on. Your other washer. And then your nut. Kind of difficult to do this with one hand, but hey, we're getting there. Okay, once that's installed, and your stabilizer bar goes right there where my finger is, you can tighten this down till the bushings are even, the sides of the bushings are even with the side of your washers. At that point, it's not going anywhere, and it'll do what it's supposed to do, which is to help stabilize your vehicle in corners, stabilize the front end, and then you don't have to worry about finding another one. You've already got one, you've already done it. If that bolt breaks again, take it apart, take another bolt in there, but get a stronger bolt next time. And that's, no, I didn't do a video while I was doing this. It was like 105 outside whenever I was cutting it and drilling it. So I hope this video will help explain to you a little way to save you some money and to kind of repair a hard to find part. Thanks, and watch for my next videos coming out. Bye.